Brace the yards!
Secure that main sail, quickly now!
Hold fast, men. She's listing hard to port.
Captain, the waves are getting stronger. If we don't turn back, the ship will be torn apart. No, we have a mission to complete. The Admiral's orders are clear. Hunt down and destroy the ghost pirate ship haunting these waters. Until I see it, HMS Valiant will not turn back. Heave, lads, heave! Secure the mainsail! Hold fast, men! Hold fast! Captain, people say that ship is a ghost ship that never sinks, cursed forever on the sea.
That's just superstitious talk, isn't it?
I don't believe in ghosts, but I do believe in fear. If a ship can make an entire merchant fleet avoid this route, it is a real threat to Great Britain, and it is our duty to end it. Ship ahead! Ship at the bow! It appeared from the fog. All hands, battle stations! Move, move! Secure the hatches! Man the guns! Load the cannons, prepare for engagement! The ghost pirate ship! All gun crews to your positions! Port side, prepare for broadside! Today, we prove that even ghosts cannot escape the Royal Navy!
Look! The living dare to challenge the dead. Prepare the cannons. Let them taste the depths of the sea.
All hands, brace for impact. Fire! Distance sufficient. Port side, fire! Fire E! All hands, broadside! Fire at the ghost ship! Aye, sir. Reload the cannons, quickly now. It can't be! The cannonballs went right through, then vanished! This fire! It can't be put out! Water doesn't extinguish it! Use canvas! Smother it! Don't let it reach the powder magazine! Man the cannons! Fire! The green fire, it won't go out! Cut the ropes! If cannons won't bring them down, we'll engage at close quarters. Prepare grappling hooks. Ready the boarding party.
They want to get close. Good. Let them board. Let them see what the other side looks like.
Boarders away! Give them no quarter!
My God, what is this place? They're cold as ice. I cannot feel my arm anymore.
My men, we are the Royal Navy. We do not retreat before anything, living or dead. Don't let fear kill us before the blade does.
You carry the English flag and the pride of the living. But this place is the kingdom of the dead.
If this sea belongs to you, then why do you hide behind the fog? I will send your cursed ship to the bottom of the sea and... Push them back! Look, sir, they are rising from the deep!
God save us! Do you know why this ship never sinks, Captain? We made a pact with the deep sea.
Then today, I will break that pact.
Prepare explosives in the lower deck. If necessary, we will detonate both ships. They're dragging us down! Captain! The explosives are ready. Just one spark, and both ships will explode. Perhaps this sea only needs one cursed ship. Detonate! Now! The chains! Cut the chains! The mast is falling. We're doomed. We're all going to drown.
You think you can destroy what belongs to the sea?
To die! Help us! Save the ship!
Sir,
Captain Blake.
he did what a captain of the Royal Navy must do. He took the evil down with his ship.
But remember this, the sea never forgets.
If one night, amidst a storm, you see green lights in the fog, perhaps